Putak. I'm first class, gagi. After Dragon Beast, anjing.
Extender at the top. They are at the top.
Ratatosker heal. I need couple mo yan.
Nangangapa pa ako sa ano
Still
guys, sa
RNG.
controls. Kaka-download ko lang sa PC. Itong Lineage guys. Oh, dito naman
It
yung
will
spawn.
not pay.
Okay, move away from Orphan. Guys, move away from Orphan. Move away from Orphan.
Okay. Move away.
Let DPS party hit Orphan, guys. Move away from Orphan. I said.
Okay. Let's go. Yung ano ko, controls ko guys, ang hirap. Di ko pa maano. Ay settings ko pala. Baka magulo yan.
Gather on
na.
one side. Gather on one side.
Kasi kanina yung sa event dito sa
Okay,
ano,
okay,
di ko
behind GZ.
Saan sila?
Chok together, chok ah.
Okay guys.
Let Undo, let
Later on,
Undo.
GZ.
Avoid that boss, bro. Avoid that boss.
Aray! Ang sakit! Lalo na kapag walang party.
Support. Guys, since we are not doing
Kanina
anything,
tayo.
you can heal Ratatosker or those punking the boss.
Okay.
Away from the range, ah. Away from the range.
Ano lang tayo guys ha?
I feel so good. Spacker.
Cameraman lang tayo dito. Tayong pinakamahina sa mga to. Ayan na.
Opo.
Ito yung mga kalaban. Wait lang natin
You need
mga
freeze,
kalaban.
yung?
What?
You need freeze?
No. I'm okay.
Okay.
Enemy coming.
Where?
Side.
Which side?
Sana hindi na mahirapan. Kanina sa ano, event nahirapan.
No, they still regroup.
Heal Ratatosker. Heal Ratatosker. Get out. Get away from Orphan. Heal Ratatosker.
Bawi na lang ako guys ha.
Oh, they're regrouping Default TP. They're too many.
Okay.
Careful. Wait, I'll check again.
Uy. What are you
Ano,
doing?
tracker?
Ay,
Scout.
cameraman lang pala ako. Wait lang natin.
Guys,
Go to other side.
heal Undo, guys. Heal Undo.
Wait lang
Heal
tayo.
Undo.
Ando.
Heal Ratatosker.
Here. Upper side. They're regrouping here on me.
Okay. Chok. Huwag ka pa huli, chok ah.
Bangan na.
Heal Ratatosker.
Bang.
The boss will reset. The boss is doing spikes, ha. Careful, ha.
Pak. Sug. Sakit nun. Yan na oh. Diyan ka pa nag-TP oh. Loko.
They're waiting phase 3.
Get away from the boss.
Ah!
Get away from the
Diyan ka pa
boss.
nag-TP par.
Kill the shadows.
Sige.
Guys, heal Ratatosker.
Bag. Yan, bag. Yan, mano-mano.
Let me know if there's
Lagi
significant
natin
push, ha.
yan. Ala lang guys, ano lang ako,
Orb.
cameraman.
Heal Ratatosker, heal.
Halo, tol. Putangin na yan. Poskos ako.
Yeah, ano.
Yeah, back. It's okay.
I'll check again Don't panic me.
Putak. I'm first class, gagi. After Dragon Beast, anjing.
Extender at the top. They are at the top.
Ratatosker, heal Ratatosker.
Buisit.
It's okay.
I will secure left, eh?
Heal Ratatosker, guys.
Oh, Ratatosker. Pagpupuyatan ko na to guys ha. Supportahan yung mga videos ko.
Heal Kulu.
Ayan na. Yun.
Okay, reset. Rata HP not okay. Go heal Rata.
Pero dapat ano dikit.
Still can heal, guys. Still can heal. We're not yet silent. Still can heal. Spam single heal on Rata. Still can heal, guys. Still can heal.
Okay, watch out.
Yan na. Tapos sumabay sa akin.
Coming, bro. Coming.
Yan na, yan na. Saan tayo ikot?
PK chok ha. Phase 3, phase 3.
Sakto pa to.
Puting better regroup first ha. Too many shadow.
Hindi ko maano yung
Phase
shadow,
3.
par.
Drop pin H9.
Hindi may scan. O, diba? Yung ano ko, iba pa.
Wait for H9 pin, guys. Okay, TPing. 1, 2, 3. TP in. It's corner,
Diba?
it's corner.
Yung ano ko, pre, paano mo? Yung
Follow me,
Follow me, follow me,
guys,
follow me.
yung
H9.
settings ko guys, magulo pa.
Cut their retreat, cut their retreat.
Sige. Go! Yung nasa
Don't let them. Okay. It's cut already. Stay at the ramp. Only like this. They will be.
Ang sarap
It's my
dito
open.
guys pag naano ko na, nakakabisado. Nag-ano pa ako eh. Pa-practice ulit kasi kakataon.
Okay, they got. Oh.
Aray ko! Wag
RG
nyo.
first, guys. RG first.
RG muna.
Boss will reset.
Okay.
TP on H9. H9 TP. TP on H9 pin. TP on H9 pin. TP on H9 pin, guys.
Ay, heal me.
What? Enteng. No need. No, wah, you
Okay.
don't. Hit guys, they got ano? Okay,
Natamaan
my
ba
HP,
ako?
how much my HP guys?
Out, sige.
Aray ko!
Oh, tell me if I'm low, Chuck, please.
Bro, because there's a lot of things of going on, bro. The orphan is doing spike.
Yeah.
Okay, they get stunned. Kill this.
Sana hindi tayo maabutan. Dati kin. Ulagin mo yan, par. Cameraman lang ako, ah.
Dobby.
Babags. Hey!
Our HP. Check.
Namatay pa.
San?
Tipet, ball, tipet.
Back. Go to H9 pin, guys. Go to H9 pin. Guys, every time the pin is dropped, go. React immediately, ha.
Oh, sige.
Trust
Sorry.
H9. Trust
So,
H9.
live tayo, pare.
Heal here,
Sorry, ah.
heal.
Wait lang, pare. Cameraman.
Pero holding the boss.
Kailangan ma-save.
PK.
Sige. Wait lang. Okay.
Okay, drop pin. They're going back.
Aray mo.
Last pin, H9, last pin is safe. H9, last pin is safe.
Papapatay na ako ha.
Sige, talk. Understood. Okay, or... Kill shadows.
Dapat pala maano ko
Talk, last pin is
dito.
safe, ha?
Hindi ko pa kasi na naisip. Mamaya ko na ayusin, guys. Hindi ko mait yung ano.
This orphan is dying, ha? Ready. Spike. Okay, they get...
Okay.
Okay, ready for orphan reset. Orphan will reset, ha? Okay, push. Ratatosker, pigi ano?
Hit.
Hit orphan. All in
Lagi
on
na
Orphan.
lang kita kasi ano, Spender 2 oh. Kailangan mabulag yan. Dapat hindi makait to par. Spender yan eh.
Okay, first,
Ay!
we still get prime, ha? TP out, chop.
Mali!
Chok, chok, TP out, chok.
Oh, they get stun, they get stun, they get stun. They get
Very
help.
wrong.
Or Orphan lineup get help, bro.
City corner retreat lang. Wala tayong life. Pero, sabay na tayo dyan. Eh! Sa kanila. Sorry guys.
Motherfucker. You think I don't hit?
Guys.
What the
What
fuck?
the fuck?
They got loot eh. How? How ya anjing?
That's the problem with that ping pong ah. You see the damage, bro. Ratatosker kulo on top. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Disengage. We get lucky. No good loot. Check boss time. And we can go back to our Discord.
It's time to cultivation mo. Let's
Oh, we
go.
got Earth, we got Earth.
Oh,
Boss, we got boss?
Yeah. Still
Okay,
got
okay,
20 minutes, bro. You can cultivate, bro.
Yes.
Oo, ano, nakuha nila. Okay lang yan.
Okay. I think at least our orphan fight is getting clean. But okay, when orphan start, when you are not like main DPS, bro, do not bother hit the boss, bro.
Oo.
Eh,
Ba't
I'm
hindi kayo
not
dyan, guys,
joining
ah?
Discord. I don't.
Iba yung kanina.